Om Shanti. And you have found, when I found, for example, Terry, so I do not repeat, oh, here is Terry, here is Terry. No. Oh, how are you? Finished. So the mind reaches to that level of awareness. Not only you're the highest level of a seeker, but you found it. You found it, yes. Beautiful. Oh, Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes. Open the eyes inside the palms, know your experiences. Bring the hands down. Even this physical act is not necessary for the highest level of a seeker. So very good. So how are you, Stephen?
I'm good. That was a very very deep meditation for me. I experienced nothing. It was just pure nothingness throughout. I had a high level of awareness, no thoughts. Just followed your instructions through the piece. Um, and the only thing that took place is that when we started to enter the heart center, um, there was like a jolt of energy that fired down the left side of my upper body, and I basically was like, whoa, what was that, and let it go. So and I went back into that space of nothingness.
Beautiful. And these things, these experiences will take place. An upsurge of energy, lifting up of this energy. And sometimes we also experience as if wherever I'm sitting, I am lifted by some unseen forces and my head is touching the ceiling. So all those experiences, share it, and then we will understand it clearly what happens. So I will talk about this left and up right side of upsurge of energy later. How are you, Brandy?
Good morning. I'm fine. Thank you. Thank you for the lesson and the practice today. At first, in the practice, I had a little bit of a hard time settling in. And then I just told myself, I want freedom from my mind. I want, and I settled and it was deep. And,
Do you see that a single phrase strikes the mind? I want freedom, and then I settle it. What we say, I want freedom from you. I brand you as a crazy, but fact is that I'm crazy. So the entire journey is different. How are you, Sam? We are very near.
Yes, close. Um, felt a little bit of the heaviness today, but worked through it and felt very very peaceful.
Very peaceful. Wonderful. Beautiful. How are you, Lalit?
Yes, sir. So today's meditation was wonderful for me, and of lately I've been very upset and disappointed in myself that my meditation is going nowhere. But
Hmm.
today's meditation felt really, really good, and I'm quite happy that it happened, and I'm
Yes, that
very
is
good.
wonderful. Never be upset. Continue the journey. We are upset with our own mind. Are you upset with me? No.
Never, sir.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, sir. At least you know you're not upset with me. So how are you, Ashok?
Yes, sir, I am good and peaceful and progressive,
Progressing. Yes, good.
coming
How
to
are
the
you?
track. Thank
Oh,
you.
very good. How are you, Sangeeta?
सर बहुत अच्छा था बहुत पीसफुल
Both peaceful.
था
Good. Very peaceful and good. How are you, Terry?
I couldn't stop doing the nyasa.
Beautiful.
My breath was longer than usual, so I was glad about that. And but towards the end, I suddenly realized that was I was always thinking about what I was doing wrong, like what part I didn't do yet,
Okay.
And I told myself to stop doing that.
Yeah, stop. Yeah, yeah. What you do, put a wall clock and paste it on the ceiling. Keep looking at the wall and do the nyasa 15 minutes on the right side, 15 minutes on the left side, 15 minutes right, left leg, and the spine. Allow the mind to settle in that knowledge that it has the deep silence, slow breathing has nothing to do with your challenges. Let your mind prove it, and then we will see what happens. How are you, Vaibhav?
So I'm good. It was very peaceful. It's like that mind is at peace when it is not scattered. It is when it is clear, then it is naturally at peace only.
Naturally at peace. Beautiful way to explain. How are you, Barbara? Oh, Barbara will not speak. She already sent an email. You see the causal body, but you should recognize it. The mind will continue to behave like this. Barbara, her sound is not working in the computer. So how are you, anesthesia? Only anesthesia is left, I think. Yes, yes.
Thank you very much. I am still, and I had a feeling of a melting and
Yeah.
a gratitude feeling.
Gratitude and melting.
I'm very
Yes,
thankful.
that is very good feeling of gratitude and melting has to do with our causal body. When the causal body drops, it's ignorance. We have these feelings, but it should continue in that way. So this is all about our today's journey. We'll continue on Saturdays also. So, however, any question? No question. Thank you. That is all for today. Thank,
Thank you so much.
Namaste.
Thank you, sir.
thank
Thank you,
you,
sir.
sir.
Namaste.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. We will meet on Saturday again.